Dear all friends, hope you are doing well. FABTECH sincerely invites you to visit our booth at FABTECH Mexico in Monterrere, Mexico. It is from 7th to 9th May, and our booth number is 1450. Welcome to visit our booth and talk about the cooperation face-to-face.
FABTECH, your metal processing machines supplier in China, with main range of CNC fiber laser cutting machine, CNC press brake, guillotine, shear, punching press, rolling, and duct equipment. FABTECH is our registered brand. It represents Runbang and quality. Runbang is a company that develops quickly by high quality and perfect after-sales service. Looking forward to see you soon.
See you soon!